Hi guys, I'm going to run through the steps that I like to use to teach a horse to side pass, okay? And I like to teach this along a fence, a wall, anything that's going to block that forward motion and make that horse have less options, so it's much simpler for them to, yeah, okay.
Did you hit record on the 360 camera?
No.
Okay. You can anytime.
No, but okay, so let me try that again.
Okay. Action.
Hi guys, come along with me today as I show you the steps that I use to teach a really effective side pass to our horses, okay? And I like to start this out along a wall like this because it makes less wrong options available for the horse. So it narrows down the choices that they'll have, okay? So come along with me as we do this. It'll be fun. So once I get a horse to parallel along the wall like this, okay, close enough that I could touch it with my hand. First thing I'm gonna do is reach back with my right leg into button 1 and ask that horse's hip to step over, okay? Once I get perpendicular to the wall, we've just released that pressure. Let her think about it for a minute. When that's good, we'll turn back along that wall, come back down again, okay? We'll go a little ways, repeat. Good, better that time, better. Okay, we'll have to do that a couple times, and as soon as that hip is moving, I bet it'll probably happen this time. As soon as that hip moves over, first time as soon as we ask, good, then we're ready to go into step 2, okay? So to recap this, button 1, that's right by the belly cinch, that's to move the hip. Now I'm going to be sliding my leg up a little bit into button 2, that's right between the 2 cinches, okay? So one more time here, this will be step 2. Coming down, move that hip. Once that hip is there, now right into button 2, asking for that horse to laterally move, okay? That's button 2. All right, so now we're back. We're walking down that fence. Again, step 2. So step 1 was move the hip. Step 2, right into that lateral side pass. And the reason that I do this is because it's much simpler to, once we get the motion, which is moving the hip, then just redirect it, okay? Later on, we'll just be straight side passing, but it's too soon. So get the motion, redirect, it'll go much smoother. Okay, back down again. We're gonna try this one more time. You notice Gracie's bending her, she's anticipating what we're gonna be doing. Okay, so button 1, or step 1, hip, right into button 2, side passing down. Very nice. Okay. Now, we've got steps 1 and we've got steps 2. Now it's time to go right into step 3, okay? Now we just talked about that motion and redirecting it. Here's the stickier spot. We'll start right with step 3 is we eliminate the first one and just ask that horse to move. There, okay, so she's got sticky there a little bit. So I just took that spur and just rolled it a little bit saying, please, please move. Didn't kick her, just touched her with it, okay? So back to step 3 again, saying please move. And as I always say, there. Notice she started moving and I didn't release that pressure. What I was looking for her to do is try a little harder. And when she did and she put more into that motion and into her stride, that's when we released. Remember, what we release the pressure on, you'll get more of. So if that horse was really bracy and sticky on that and I had released, the horse will just continue to be bracy and sticky. But because I released her when she tried harder, we'll get more of that, okay? So right back at it again here. Good. Remember, it's quality of movement, not quantity, okay? Quality of movement over quantity. Now, this may take you a couple days to do step 1, a couple more days for the step 2, and then the last part of the step 3, that'll probably take you even longer, okay? And the last and final step with this is after they're starting to get this sorted out, then we're gonna leave the wall Okay, so now what will tend to happen with your side pass is the horse will want to go forward, okay? And there's nothing to block them if we've left the fence. So if that happens, step 4, okay, so we'll ask for the side pass. And if that horse does go forward, my simple answer is I will back them up and ask for that side pass again. And if they just move over nice and easy, leave them be, let them think about it for a few minutes, okay? So hope this helps. If you start getting in troubleshooting here, if you start getting too far and you rush the next step too soon, you'll notice that they just get nervous and anxious. And if that happens, go back and review the next steps until that's getting really good before you progress back forward again, okay? Hope those tips help you for your side pass. We'll see you down the trail.